Are non-union employees affected by collective bargaining agreements? In recent news, a question that has been gaining attention is whether non-union employees are impacted by collective bargaining agreements. This topic has become increasingly relevant as labor relations continue to evolve. Many people are curious about how these agreements, which are typically negotiated between unions and employers, affect those who are not union members. Collective bargaining agreements set the terms of employment for unionized workers. However, non-union employees are not direct parties to these contracts. This raises the question of how they might still be influenced by the agreements in place. First, workplace policies established through collective bargaining can affect both union and non-union employees. Employers may adopt uniform practices that apply to all workers. For example, if a union negotiates a wage increase, the employer might adjust pay scales for non-union employees to maintain fairness. Second, operational changes outlined in collective bargaining agreements can impact job duties and work environments for non-union employees. Even if they are not covered by the agreements, changes in work rules or grievance procedures can alter how non-union employees perform their jobs. Third, legal developments in labor law can also shape the experiences of non-union employees. Rulings from the National Labor Relations Board can influence workplace dynamics and the rights of non-union workers in relation to union activities. Finally, the presence of a union can affect how non-union employees view their own work situations. The terms negotiated in collective bargaining agreements can lead to discussions about unionization among non-union workers. While non-union employees are not legally bound by collective bargaining agreements, these agreements can still have a significant impact on their work lives. The extent of this influence can vary based on the employer's practices and the specific provisions of the agreements. In the current labor environment, understanding the relationship between collective bargaining agreements and non-union employees is essential for both workers and employers. As labor laws continue to evolve, staying informed about these dynamics is more important than ever.